How to log into Facebook using Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right. In here, simply click on Account Center at the top. Then click on Profiles at the top and then make sure your profiles are connected. Instagram and Facebook are connected. After you've connected, simply go back and then click on Log in with accounts. In here, click on Choose which account can log in into another account. And then, if you click on Facebook, you will find this kind of settings pop up. In here, simply make sure Instagram is ticked. After you've done that, you can simply switch from Instagram account. And this is how to log into Facebook using Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.